Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Open Safari and find the tab's Control, those two overlapping squares. Once you see it, pause to note whether your tabs are local or synced via iCloud. That affects where they disappear. Make sure Safari is not in private mode if you want to close standard tabs. Then tap the tabs icon to enter Tab View. This reveals every open page. From here, you'll choose single closures or bulk actions depending on how many tabs you have. Now you're in Tab View and you can act. To remove one page, swipe left on its card and tap Close. It's fast and precise. If you prefer using touch hold, long press a tab card, select Close Tab or close other tabs to keep the one you want. For a clean sweep, long press the tabs icon or any tab and pick Close All X tabs. That wipes them in bulk. Make sure to double-check important tabs before using bulk close because recovery is not guaranteed. Finish by exiting Tab View and scanning your open pages to confirm they're gone, then reopen Safari to force sync. If you need a tab back, tap the plus button in Tab View or go to History, then Recently Closed to restore it quickly. If tabs won't close or reappear because of iCloud, force quit Safari and restart the app, or toggle Safari syncing in Settings your name iCloud. That resolves most sync glitches. If not, restart the iPhone and try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.